In this video lecture, we will discuss about 20 best dropshipping products to sell in 2021. Whether you are going to make a lot of money with your dropshipping store depends mainly on what you are selling. The key to success is picking a dropshipping niche that is trending but is not overly saturated yet. If you can find popular dropshipping products to relate the your hobbies a little, you have hit the jackpot. It will be easier for you to market these products since you have a genuine interest in them. In In this video, you will find the list of 20 trending dropshipping products in 2022. Plus, we also give tip on finding the best products to dropshipping on your Shopify store. So you could do more digging. Let's get started. Top 10 trending dropshipping niches. Have no clue what kind of e-commerce store you should go for? Here are the most profitable dropshipping niches to choose from: home decor and home improvement. And the second is jewelry. The third one is health and beauty. And the fourth is fitness. And the fifth is pet products. And the seventh is boho clothing and accessories. And the last one is phone accessories. We have analyzed over 60 plus K real Shopify store to see where buyers come from depending on your dropshipping niche. And then we will discuss about how to find the best dropshipping products to sell, when to find winning products and start dropshipping them. Follow the criteria for the best dropshipping products. The first one is look for products that you cannot easily find selling elsewhere. Find a product that solves a problem, that is a smart water bottle that tracks water intake. And the next is make sure your product doesn't have advertising restriction. And the next one is aim of the wow factor. Think of the last show ad you saw on Instagram and clicked right away. And then we discuss about 6 best products and market researching tools. Here are the top 6 product and market researching tools to find the best products for dropship on Shopify. Amazon bestseller. Amazon bestseller is one of the most place to smart your product research, especially if you have not decided on your dropshipping niche yet. Choose a product category that you have interested in and see what items are popular within it now. The range is vast. You can browse anything from baby product and clothing to software and pet suppliers. Amazon returns the top 100 selling item of each category. Pick the product you like and find yourself a trusted dropshipping supplier. And the second one is eBay watch count. Just like Amazon, eBay also have a great tool to find trending product on its marketplace. It's called watch count. eBay tracks what products users add to their watch list and issues informations to create real-time list of most watched eBay item for different regions. You can search products by keywords and explore the trend by categories. If you have not got a clue on what you are looking for, explore trending products under the what's hot on eBay tab. And the third one is Salehu Market Research Lab. Salehu Market Research Lab is a tool that can save you a lot of time for your product research. It uses the data from Amazon and eBay to help you find the most popular profitable dropshipping products. You can see sales, trends, competition statistics and get idea for the best dropshipping niches. You can also spot essential trend and use them to jump in with your products when they are at their hottest. If you cannot decide between several products ideas, you can use their product comparison tool and analyze your list of the best product to side by side. Finally, you will also find trusted lower cost suppliers so you can start dropshipping right way. The fourth one is AliExpress Dropshipping Center. AliExpress Dropshipping Center is a tool created by AliExpress to help merchants run their dropshipping stores more efficiently. Its main purpose is to help dropshippers find the best products to sell. For example, you can use the trusted supplier rank features to sort the suppliers according to their time on the platform, sales, and reliability. AliExpress also has a hot product section. Browse it to see which items are now in high demand. And the fifth one is Google Trends. Finally, who know better what we want that Google? 89% of people go to Google right away when they need to find something. Use it to your benefit of check Google Trends. It's a tool that show how popular a certain search in a Google. In the you can see the results of which towel you are have expected. Its popularity has been growing with summer approaching. How to interpret Google Trends data? If you search terms, hits, and value of 100, it means that term is in its peak popularity. The lower the number goes, the less trending the search time is. If you go a score of 0, it means where we was not enough data for this term. And the sixth one is the Pinterest. While technically Pinterest is a social media network, you can create your profile and leave comments, follow people, and send messages. If operates much more like Google, people usually use it for shopping inspiration and create boards for upcoming projects. Pinterest stores lots of valuable data on what online shoppers are looking for, which can be very handy for your market research. Once you have got a product niche in mind, go to Pinterest to understand the level of interest. For example, you can check the search volume of keywords in its ad creation tool where to find dropshipping suppliers. Once you have figured out what to dropship,